If there were another pandemic and the governor ordered a shutdown of private meetings such as churches or veteran organizations, would you prosecute the leadership, i.e. the pastor, if they continued services or meetings against the governor's orders?
On the religious side of it, no. I think that religious freedom is a very important thing in this country, and you're messing with the First Amendment if you're prosecuting people for peacefully assembling, especially for their religious rights. If they want to meet, if they're informed, if they know what they're talking, they should be able to do that. And again, that just goes to a free society, right? You're accountable for your own behaviors. You're responsible for your own consequences. And if people were going to meet during the pandemic, the last pandemic that we had, and they wanted to take the risk of meeting up, they could do that. I didn't. I stayed in my house. I remained 6 feet away from each other. I did not get the jab, so to speak, but I mean, that was my personal choice. And I really gave serious consideration as to what if somebody was going to fire me from my job as a prosecutor if I didn't. And I wouldn't have done it. You know what I mean? So I think that we have to respect people's own personal sense of freedom. And if you don't want to be around people that aren't abiding by that and you want to protect your own safety, you can do that for yourself. But I would not prosecute anybody that did that. And I would stand up against the governor. I would have the fortitude to actually do that. Ask any judge I've been in front of, they'll let you know. I've got the fortitude to push back and say, hey, this isn't what we're doing here today.
Thank you. Okay, next, same question. If there were another